Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and thank you for watching. As a small business owner, I get really excited about packaging, especially when I find something that is the exact size that I need and perfectly serves my purpose. And that's what these Sodissa boxes are. You can see that they are white cardboard. I prefer the white over the brown, so that way I can draw and write messages on the box for my customers, and they can get even more excited about what they're about to see inside. As you can see from this box of boxes behind me, they do come flat, but they also have the folding instructions, and they are really easy to put together, and they're nice and sturdy. You don't have to worry about any fragiles or breakables being squashed when they're in this box. This is 7 inches by 5 inches by 2 inches, which is perfect for what I needed it for. I was able to fit quite a bit in here and know that my fragile is not going to break before it arrives to the customer. I also like this size because it can fit a 4x6 shipping label on it. So when you're looking for a great shipping box to fill your needs, look no further than Sodissa. And that's my point of view.